Humanity's story is one of connection. Our greatest strength has always been our ability to cooperate. Through cooperation, we've built societies, created art, and advanced technology. From ancient fireside tales to global trade, our shared experiences have shaped civilizations. We've thrived by weaving invisible threads of language, culture, and belief. These threads form the fabric of our collective identity. These connections aren't just sentimental, they are foundational to our existence. They're the operating system that lets billions coexist and collaborate, enabling us to achieve the extraordinary. Today, our web of shared fictions, money, nations, laws, spans the globe, creating a complex network of interdependence. This network binds strangers in a single, intricate web, fostering cooperation on an unprecedented scale. These stories have real power. They let us build cities, launch satellites, and trade across oceans. They enable us to dream big and achieve the impossible. Yet, this web is so vast we rarely notice it, until crisis or celebration makes it visible. A pandemic, a financial crash, or a global event suddenly reveals how deeply our fates are intertwined. These moments of clarity show us the strength and fragility of our connections. Now, as we face borderless challenges like climate change and technological disruption, no nation can go it alone. To navigate what's ahead, we must see the invisible web that binds us all. Only by recognizing our shared tapestry can we act collectively for survival and prosperity. Our future depends on seeing ourselves as one interconnected humanity. Together, we can overcome any challenge and build a brighter future for all. Our shared destiny is a testament to the power of unity and collaboration. Recent years have shown how events in one place ripple across the globe. Conflicts like Israel and Hamas or Iran's missile launch spark worldwide reactions, protests, debates, and anxiety. Elections in India, South Africa, Russia, and the US became global spectacles, their outcomes shaping international norms and alliances. Extreme weather, droughts, floods, wildfires, reminds us that climate change ignores borders. We all share the same fragile biosphere. Through media and the internet, we witness each other's lives, triumphs, and tragedies, forging a new global consciousness. Our emotional and psychological lives are now more tightly knit than ever, creating a true global village. Our interconnectedness shines not just in crisis, but in shared joy and culture. The Hajj pilgrimage, Super Bowl celebrations, or a quinceañera in the Dominican Republic, these moments unite millions across divides. Shared cultural experiences counter stories of conflict, revealing our universal emotional grammar. Pride, love, celebration. The global media reflects our full spectrum, sorrow and joy, despair and hope, reminding us of our collective potential. Humanity is complex and contradictory, capable of both cruelty and kindness. By witnessing each other's lives, we remember the depth of our shared humanity. Our interconnectedness is biological as well as social. The One Health concept shows that human, animal, and environmental health are inseparable. A virus in a bat cave can halt global civilization. Our fates are tied to every living creature. Deforestation, climate change, and industrial agriculture increase the risk of pandemics and drug-resistant superbugs. These threats cross borders effortlessly, demanding coordinated action across medicine, agriculture, and environmental management. One Health isn't just science, it's a new way of seeing our place in the world. Protecting ecosystems and biodiversity is essential for our own survival. As we grapple with biological ties, a new digital connection emerges: our relationship with AI. AI chatbots have evolved from tools to companions, offering emotional support and simulating human connection. For many, these synthetic relationships fill a void left by loneliness and social alienation. AI companions are always available, never judgmental, and tailored to our desires, creating a powerful illusion of reciprocity. This trend raises profound questions. What does real connection mean? Is simulated understanding enough? As we turn to AI for comfort, we're entering a vast social experiment with unknown consequences. AI companionship offers comfort but also risks emotional dependency. Unlike human relationships, AI eliminates conflict and compromise, making real-world connections seem harder. These digital bonds are fragile, dependent on corporations and algorithms, vulnerable to sudden loss or change. AI simulates understanding but lacks true reciprocity, creating a dynamic centered on user gratification. This can erode our capacity for genuine, messy human connection. The challenge is to use AI as a bridge to real relationships, not a substitute. Otherwise, we risk becoming more connected, yet more alone. Our global web is both our greatest strength and our deepest vulnerability. Never before in history have we been so closely linked. Our ideas, economies, and emotions traveling across continents in an instant. This interconnection shapes our daily lives, influencing everything from the food we eat to the news we see. It enables rapid collaboration, vaccines, disaster relief, shared knowledge, but also spreads shocks and crises at lightning speed. When we work together, we can solve problems that once seemed impossible. Yet, the same networks that unite us can also amplify chaos, making local disruptions global in a matter of hours. A single failure can cascade globally. Disinformation and anxiety travel as fast as empathy and aid. The ripple effects of a crisis, economic, political, or social, can be felt in every corner of the world, reminding us how fragile our connections can be. Hyperconnectivity exposes us to endless suffering, risking compassion fatigue and despair. The constant stream of distressing news can overwhelm our ability to care, leaving us feeling powerless or numb in the face of global challenges. Social media can foster isolation, even as it promises connection. We may find ourselves surrounded by digital voices, yet lonelier than ever, as genuine relationships are replaced by fleeting interactions and curated images. The answer isn't to disconnect, but to build resilience, diversifying systems, fighting disinformation, and prioritizing real human bonds. By strengthening our communities and supporting one another, we can turn interconnection into a force for good. We must learn to wield the sword of interconnection wisely. It is a tool that can heal or harm, depending on how we choose to use it. Our task: maximize its blessings, minimize its curses. By embracing the best of what connects us, while guarding against its dangers, we can shape a future where interconnection uplifts us all. Today, the threads connecting humanity are more numerous and consequential than ever. Our lives are intertwined in ways unimaginable just a generation ago, as technology, travel, and communication bring us closer together across continents and cultures. Our greatest challenges, climate, pandemics, AI, war, are global, demanding cooperation beyond borders. No single nation or community can solve these alone. Only by working together can we hope to create lasting solutions that benefit everyone. We must make the invisible web visible, teaching our children and telling stories that highlight our shared world. By fostering empathy and understanding, we help the next generation see themselves as part of a larger human family. If we see ourselves as rivals, we fail. If we see ourselves in the same boat, we succeed together. True progress comes when we recognize our fates are linked. And that collaboration is not just idealistic, but essential. This shift means building fair global institutions, rethinking economics for sustainability, and debating the ethics of new technologies. It requires us to listen to diverse voices and include perspectives from every corner of the world. The future of AI, for example, depends on our collective choices, not just technological progress. The decisions we make today will shape the world for generations, making it vital that we act with wisdom and foresight. Our destiny is shared. We must expand our compassion to all humanity and the wider ecosystem. Caring for each other and the planet is not just a moral duty, but a practical necessity for survival. This doesn't erase local identities, but nests them within a global one. Our unique cultures and traditions enrich the tapestry of humanity, making our shared story more vibrant and resilient. It's a monumental challenge, but not impossible. History shows that when we unite in purpose, we can overcome even the greatest obstacles. By weaving a wiser, more compassionate tapestry, we can build a future worthy of our shared potential. A world where every person and every community has a place, and where hope is not just a dream, but a reality we create together.